start by taking a little bit of loose powder and patting it underneath the eye for any fallout. So what I'm doing now, if you can see, I'm using this amazing palette from MyGlamm, All I Need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by applying the primer on the eyelid. A primer is extremely important because it actually allows your makeup, your eye makeup to stay on much longer. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be taking a little bit of the blue eyeshadow, starting from the center. I go to the outer corner and then I go with what is left on my brush into the inner corner, just to give the eye a lovely shape. It elongates it, it makes it look longer than it is. So you can actually see that intensity. It looks so beautiful. You can even wear this as a nice, beautiful thin liner. So that is, you apply a little bit of your black kajal pencil and go over it with your All I Need blue eyeshadow, and it will give you the same intensity and pop that this is giving you. When I'm using color, I mean, it depends on you. It depends on how much you love color. You can even go underneath, or you can just keep it stark and beautiful on the top lid.